Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is a pleasure to be here today and have the opportunity to share insights from my study, from my research, titled Critical Success Factor for Innovation in Local Governance, Evidence from Magelang City. First and foremost, I would like to express how happy and honored I am to participate in the sixth Borobudur International Symposium. This event provides an excellent platform to exchange knowledge, ideas, and experience from around the world. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ardin Primadevi, and I am a lecturer at Informatics Engineering Faculty, Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang. Today, I am presenting my research, which is part of the Riset Unggulan Daerah or Regional Superior Research Program, focusing on understanding the key factors that contribute the successful innovation in local governance using the innovation management system implemented at Bapeda, Magelang City. Before diving in, I would like to thank Bapeda for supporting this research and all the stakeholders who contribute to the study. In this section, I will discuss the background of this research and the importance of innovation in local governance. First, that innovation is essential in local governance to address dynamic challenges and improve public service delivery. The second, Magelang City faces increasing demands for more efficient, more transparent, and impactful services, making innovation management a critical priority. Uh, the importance of innovation in local governance, like many other regions, Magelang City faces the challenges. Bapeda plays a pivotal role in managing research and driving innovation initiative in the city. They develop an innovation management system as a strategic tool to achieve this. However, there are several barriers to innovation in this context. Insufficient institutional collaboration, fragmented innovation process, and limited integration of stakeholder hinder the success of this initiative. To address these challenges, identifying critical success factor for innovation is vital to ensure effective implementation and sustainability. This research objective is first are the research objective first to identify and evaluate the GSF. And then the second to examine the role of Bapeda. The third to provide recommendation for strengthening innovation governance. And the last, not but not least, to contribute to the academic literature. About the conceptual framework, I will explain the conceptual framework which focus on understanding the GSF. GSF are the key elements that determine the success of a project or initiative. These are factors that must be prioritized and addressed to ensure that the goals of an initiative are met effectively. In the context of this study, GSF are analyzed to understand their influence on the effectiveness of the developing innovation management system in Magelang City. This framework serves as the foundation for examining the interaction between the success factor and the performance of the innovation management system in Magelang City. To ensure a comprehensive analysis, the study adopt a mixed method approach combining qualitative and quantitative methods to ensure comprehensive analysis. This approach allows us to capture a holistic understanding of the factors influencing the success of the innovation management system in Magelang City. About data collection, there are three process. First, about survey, semi-structure, and the second semi-structure interviews, and the third document review. After all of the process about data collection, the data is analyzed with Delphi method and then analytical hierarchy process and then thematic analysis. Most of the data analysis it focus about how Bapeda as the central institution managing the innovation management system in Magelang City. So it's not only about the innovation management system, but also uh, Bapeda as the central institution. And about the result and discussion, this study finds several things. First, we found about key finding about the critical success factor. There are six categories. First, about the innovation actors who contribute about the innovation. They they are perhaps individuals or groups or community. Somehow they are organization or local governance or academics. And the second one, pioneer institution. It means a leading organization that support the innovation. So it has to be Bapeda. And then the third category, innovation development process. It's about the process or the flow chart from the beginning, how they generate the idea, and then how they prepare the idea become the concept, and then they will implement the idea, the innovative ideas to make some product. And the fourth category, there are stakeholder evaluation. After they implement the innovation idea, they continuous feedback with how the stakeholder assess and refine the innovation. Perhaps if it in the educational area, so the stakeholder is student or the teacher or perhaps the school. And the fifth categories, there are implementation speed. It is about uh, how they can generate the idea becomes product, and we calculate it in the period in how much the time they consume about the innovation idea becomes product. And then the sixth category is actor object interaction. It's about the collaboration between innovation actors and the tools or the system they used. We try to make a diagram to understand about the six critical success factor, and there are the six categories that we found. And after we analyze, we get the insight about two categories that most influential. There are pioneer institution and actor-object interaction. And this is the most influential factors that driving the success of innovation management system in Magelang City. And the second, about two categories that critical to ensure the sustainability of innovation efforts. There are stakeholder evaluation and innovation development process. From this, we found that the challenge is uh, about limited integration of data across department or across local governance in Magelang City, and they need for stronger cross-sector collaboration. So it's about if the example is about educational area, so it needs like uh, information technology area, or perhaps they need like data local governance. I mean like Biro Pusat Statistik or BPS. And that the implication about how effective management of this factor can significantly improve. It's about innovation project in local governance. Why in local governance? Because everything is about local area in Magelang. So the problem is local, so we need to local solution. It's not about the overview or the trend in Indonesia, but also what is the needed, what is the need things that local public needs, something like that. And this is the output of Delphi method that we do in the six categories of CSF. You can see that the priority is about pioneer institution. So Bapeda becomes the most important thing to success the implementation of innovation management system. And the last but not the least, in the sixth category CSF is about innovation actor. Although the average score is 4.0, it means it's high, but the highest is pioneer institution. So actors is important, but the most important thing is Bapeda to make the rule, to overcome the difficulties of the actors, and to give them community. So, Bapeda as pioneer institution as the key factor of the implementation innovation management system. And most of in the three times we share our survey in Delphi method when we try to what we call when we try to understand words that are always repeated with a respondent when they ask when we ask to the respondent about uh, what they think in an innovation management system, and most of them type uh, type like collaboration, process, innovation, and this is the word cloud. We try to make in a Python program to understanding about the data from the respondent, and most of them type that they need collaboration and they need innovation, development, and they focus on technology, leadership. So this is the most word that they type in the survey. And from from what we found about the pioneer institution, it has to be Bapeda to try the leadership to ensure alignment with strategic goals. So that is why the Bapeda is a main role to focus in implementing innovation management system. That Bapeda focus, so the innovation will be focused. It's about linear thing. And the second about actor-object interaction, uh, the most important thing is about effective collaboration between innovation actors like employees, community member, and Bapeda also. And then the third about stakeholder evaluation, uh, it's about the important thing is to regular feedback. So after they implement the innovation idea, it needs regular feedback mechanism so that stakeholders can give advice, can give suggestion to the innovation actor. Perhaps if in the educational area, the school has innovation, so the students and the parents can give suggestion. And three challenges that we found about about limited data integration across department or across local governance. So they are slow to make decision and innovation. And the second, need for cross-sector collaboration. It is still connected with the first challenges because expertise, we need more expertise, variative expertise. So it needs more than one department, more than one sector. So, and the third challenge is about inconsistent implementation speed. So somehow in the educational area, it needs uh, more than time, but more time than like healthy area or others thing, and it because of bureaucratic problem. The key to as a solution, we need a strong institutional leadership. Of course, it is in the Bapeda area and addressing the gaps, data integration, and stakeholder engagement. It will significantly enhance the impact of innovation. So this is the big relation between CSF categories and identified challenges. And the conclusion, there are six critical success factors for the successful implementation of the innovation management system in Magelang City. And the second about the most influential factor driving innovation success. And the last about challenge. The most challenge that we faced is about data integration and cross-sector collaboration. And from our research, we recommended about how to strengthen in Magelang City need strengthen leadership within pioneer institution to foster innovation. So this is focus in Bapeda. And then the second, invest in technology and data integration to improve coordination and decision making. Because in Bapeda, it already developed innovation management system. So we focus to how to improve the technology. Perhaps it's not only about intern Bapeda, but also it becomes one for all of the local governance in Magelang City. And the third about build partnership across sector, across local governance. So the resource and expertise becomes one. Perhaps with this factor and recommendation, uh, I hope that the research can be grown more. So that is all my presentation. Thank you.